Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you watch this video. So thank you so much because you already clicked the link. So now we have to learn about English. But I wanna ask you first, how are you today, guys? I hope you are in a good condition because we have to learn about Unit 2, our second unit about around town. Okay? If you already had guess what book, you can open page 26 and 27. Open your guess what page 26 until 27. Okay? Here we go. First of all, we have to learn about public places. Actually, we have so many public places, but I just want to give you 10 examples. Okay? Just 10 examples. And after this, we have to learn more about it. Here we go. Could you tell me where it is? The first one, shopping center. Di mana letak shopping center? Shopping center in bahasa is pusat perbelanjaan. So where is shopping center here? That is number one. Okay, our first number. The second one is square. Okay, square. What is square, miss? Square, if we can translate in bahasa, square is like persimpangan. Why I call it persimpangan? Because in Batam, actually the shape is square or mostly circle. Kalau di Batam kebanyakan persimpangannya ini kita enggak petak seperti ini enggak ya. Not square or not rectangle. We have within circle shapes, mostly, kebanyakan, right? So square is persimpangan, then here is square, okay? Because the shape is square. Number 3, underground station. Actually, we don't have it at Batam yet. Belum ada di Batam sih, nah underground station in bahasa is stasiun kereta api bawah tanah, okay? And that is it. Inside di dalam sini ya nak ya. Inside here, that is underground station atau stasiun bawah tanah. Number 4, hotel. Everybody knows about hotel, miss. Okay? Hotel is actually tempat penginapan. Look at the icon. That is a bed. Right? That is a bed. So, because that is a bed, we call it hotel. Number 5, traffic light. Okay, we have so many traffic lights in Batam. And in bahasa, we call it lampu lalu lintas. Right? That is. There are 3 colors. Ada 3 ya nak ya. Colorsnya, warnanya. Red, yellow, and green. Okay? Number 6, museum. Okay, absolutely, that is museum is. Because it's very clear. That is museum. Next, a restaurant. Okay, you can eat or drink something here. Where is it? Yeah, look at the tables, look at the chairs. Absolutely, that is restaurant. Number 8, bank. Ooh, where is bank? Bank. And look at the currency. Look at the currency here. Dilihat, oh, ada so many, not so many, actually a few. Ada beberapa mata uang di sini. So that is a bank. Bank, you can save your money at the bank. Number 9, zebra crossing. Okay, you can cross the street here. And mostly the color is black and white, like a zebra. That's why we call it zebra crossing, because the color. That is like zebra, and that is zebra crossing. The last one. Number 10, bus station. Bus station is stasiun bis. Because we can see there are two buses here. Absolutely, that is the bus station. Okay, that's all about public places. We just have 10 public places at our guess what, but let's see, because we have so many public places. So here we go to the next lesson. Position. Position in bahasa is posisi. Miss, why do we have to learn about it? Because I wanna ask you about it later. For example, where's the cinema? Oh, mana bioskop ya, Miss? Cinema is behind the school. Oh, bioskop itu di belakang sekolah. So you have to know mana belakang, mana depan, mana samping, mana atas, dan mana bawah. Here we go. What is in English? Next to. In bahasa, di samping atau di sebelah. Okay, so no matter right or left. Tidak perlu di sebelah kanan atau sebelah kiri. We call it next to. Okay? It means di samping atau di sebelah. In front of. In front of means di depan. Okay? Behind means di belakang. Opposite means berhadapan. It means face to face. Above, di atas. And below, di bawah. Okay, remember about it? Next to, in front of, behind, opposite, above, and below. Look at the picture. Please be focused, okay? We have two buildings here. We have two public places here. Cinema and bank. Okay, let me explain that. We have a white rectangle here. Di sini ada persegi panjang warna putih ya, Nak ya. Oke? Rectangle. The rectangle means entrance door. The white rectangle means entrance door. Persegi panjang warna putih ini maksudnya adalah pintu masuk. Oke? Pintu masuk sinema here. Pintu masuknya bank, that is it. Okay? Remember it. Diingat ya, Nak ya, pintu masuk. White rectangle, persegi panjang warna putih, kata Miss. Okay. If the question is, where's the cinema? Di mana bioskop? It's next to the bank. Itu di samping bank. Next to. Sebelahan ya, Nak ya. Cinema sama bank. Where is the bank? It's next to the cinema. Sebelah-sebelahan, jadi jawabannya masih sama. We use next to. Kita pakai next to. Oke? Look at the entrance door. Dilihat pintu masuknya. Kuncinya adalah pintu masuknya, Nak. Oke? Kuncinya adalah pintu masuknya dan posisi bangunannya adalah bersebelahan. Second picture. Mall and hotel. Look at. That is mall, that is a hotel. Mall di belakang si hotel, ya kan? Hotelnya di depan, mallnya di belakang, right? Pintu masuknya di sini, pintu masuknya di sini. Jadi pintu masuknya tidak ketemu, oke? Mall di belakang hotel, hotelnya di depan. Look at the picture. If the question is, where is the mall? Ketika ada yang bertanya, di mana mall? Di mana mall? Hotel di depan, mall di belakang. So the answer is it's behind the hotel. Mallnya itu di belakang hotel. Ya kan? Hotel di depan, mall di belakang. Jadi mallnya itu di belakang si hotel. How about, where's the hotel? Where's the hotel? Kalau pertanyaan, di mana hotelnya? Ingat, hotel di depan. Hotel in front of the mall. Jadi it's yang di sini, it's, if you answer with it's itu menggantikan the first one like cinema. So it's yang di sini menggantikan cinema. Oke, nak? It's yang di sini menggantikan si bank. Oke. It's yang di sini menggantikan si mall. And it's yang di sini menggantikan hotel. Oke? Third picture. Oke. Actually, bakery and cafe. Bakery and cafe, it's still depan belakang loh, Miss. But no. Please be focused. Dilihat baik-baik, nak. Pintu masuknya. Apa bedanya dengan mall dan hotel, Miss? Kalau mall dan hotel, pintu masuknya tidak berhadapan. There's no face-to-face. Look at bakery and cafe. Oke? Bakery sama cafe, pintunya hadap-hadapan, ketemu. Right? Pintu masuknya face-to-face, hadap-hadapan. That is the entrance door, that is the entrance door. Beda. Dibedakan sama mall and hotel ya, nak ya. That's different. So how to answer? Where's the bakery? Kalau ada yang nanya, where's the bakery? It's opposite the cafe. Berhadapan sama cafe. Because the entrance door is face-to-face with the cafe. Karena bakery itu pintu masuknya sama cafe hadap-hadapan. Right? So, the answer is opposite. It's yang di sini menggantikan bakery. Okay? And how about, where's the cafe? Okay, where's the cafe? It's still opposite. Karena sama-sama berhadapan. Ya, jadi lihat. Kalau behind sama in front of itu, dengan opposite, bedanya di pintu masuk di entrance door-nya. Ketika kalian lihat dia berhadapan, absolutely the answer is opposite. But if not, behind and in front of. Okay? Next, fourth picture. Hotel and restaurant. Look at that. If the question is, where's the hotel? Actually, I want to explain you about something first. Miss, ini kenapa nggak ada pintu masuknya? Okay, why? Why there is no entrance door? Because, let's imagine, kita bayangkan kalau hotelnya di lantai 1, first floor, and the restaurant at the second floor. Hotel di lantai 1, restorannya di lantai 2 ya, nak ya. Nah, ketika hotel di lantai 1, restoran di lantai 2, where's the hotel? If somebody asks you where's the hotel, it's below the restaurant. Below means di bawah. Jadi dilihat nanti ketika soal Miss hotelnya tulisannya lebih, no, I mean the shape, bentuknya lebih besar, oke? Okay? Like hotel and restaurant. Restaurant, the small one, lebih kecil. So, the color is different too. Dilihat nanti, jika bentuk soal Miss akan seperti ini, di maps-nya atau di petanya, so hotel the first floor and the second one is restaurant. Where is the hotel? It's below the restaurant. It's yang ini menggantikan hotel ya, nak ya. And how if the question, where's the restaurant? Oke. Hotel lantai 1, restoran lantai 2. Jadi kalau restoran di lantai 2, berarti restoran di atasnya hotel. It's above. Oke, it's above the hotel. Oke. We go to the map. Nah, if the map like that, we can see the entrance door. That is entrance door, that is entrance door. there is entrance door, there is entrance door, okay? Here we go to the question. If the question is, where's the park? It's blank, 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 the church. Where's the park? Okay, park, 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 park. Where is the park? Okay, here we go. That is park. Let me change the color of my pen, become the yellow one. That is the park, right? So, the question is park and church. Park and church. Di sini park. Yang mana church? Okay. That is church. Yang ini church. So, park itu di mananya church? Dilihat, where is the park? Oke, parknya yang ini, Miss. Church-nya yang mana? Yang ini. Jangan kebalik ya, nak ya. Park itu di mananya church? Park, ini church. Park itu di depan atau di belakangnya church? Lihat, pintu masuknya, ini pintu masuknya park. Ini pintu masuknya church. Berarti pintu masuknya tidak berhadapan. So, the answer is not opposite. Nggak mungkin opposite karena pintunya tidak hadap-hadapan. Jadi, park itu di depan atau di belakangnya church? Park itu di belakangnya church. Church di depan, parknya di belakang. Park itu di belakangnya church. Belakang. What is in English belakang? Behind. It's behind the church. Okay? Number 2. Where is the church? Okay, now the question is about church. Church, that is church, Miss. Okay. Pintu masuknya yang mana, nak? That is the entrance door, Miss. Ini pintu masuknya. And where's the club? Oh, that is club. Where's the entrance door? Mana pintu masuknya si club? That is, okay. Di sini si church, di sini di si club. Berarti ini namanya apa? Bersebelahan atau church itu di sampingnya club. What is di samping in English? Next to. Okay, it's next to the club. Church and club. Ini samping-sampingan ya, nak ya, sebelah-sebelahan. Number 3. Where's the post office? Post office. Where is post office? Post office. Where's post office? Oh, that's post office. Where's the entrance door? Mana tadi pintu masuknya? Pintu masuknya di sini. Nih, di sini pintu masuknya ya, nak ya. Hadap sana, nggak hadap kita. Bukan ini, bukan ini. Yang di sini pintu masuknya. And where's the town hall? Oh, that is town hall. Pintu masuknya town hall di sini. Ayo, hadap-hadapan kan pintunya? Pintunya post office ke sana, pintunya town hall ke sini. Nah, hadap-hadapan. Ingat kata Miss, kalau pintu masuknya hadap-hadapan, face ketemu face to face, jawabannya pasti opposite. So, it's opposite the town hall. Ya kan, dilihat, ini kan tembok nih. Jadi pintu masuknya nggak di sini. Pintu masuknya di sebelah sini. Nah, oke. Okay? Number 4. Where's the hospital? Hospital. Where is hospital ya? Okay, that is hospital. Hospital. That is hospital. And where's the police station? Pintu masuk hospitalnya di mana, Miss? Di sini. Ya. Ataupun di sini boleh. Now police station. Mana police station? Ini, pintu masuk police station di sini. Nah, pintu masuk police station di sini. Hospital itu di mananya police station? Ini police station bagian depan. Ya kan, ini pintu masuknya police station. Ini police station bagian samping. Ini police station bagian belakang. Di bagian belakang nih. Nah, jadi di mananya hospital? Hospital itu di bagian depan, di bagian samping, atau di bagian belakang? Police station, hospitalnya di mananya police station? Nah, apakah di depannya? No, miss. Apakah di bagian samping? No, nggak ada hospital di sini. Apakah di bagian samping sini? No, di bagian samping sini shopping center, miss. Jadi di bagian belakang. Oke. Hospital itu di belakangnya police station. So the answer is, it's behind the police station. Di bagian belakangnya ya, nak ya. Jadi kalian perhatikan adalah pintu masuknya. Pintu masuknya yang di titik-titik sini. Nah, pintu masuknya. Kalau yang ini berarti kan kita perhatikan pintu masuknya si police station. Kalau number 3 ini yang kita perhatikan pintu masuknya town hall. Yang sebelah sini yang kita perhatikan pintu masuk the club. And then number 1, the church and the park. Pokoknya semuanya dilihat pintu masuknya dulu ya, nak ya. Pintu masuk hadap-hadapan, jawabannya pasti opposite. Kalau tidak hadap-hadapan, pasti antara next to, behind, in front of, ya kan? Kalau lantai 1, lantai 2, pasti above sama below, atas sama bawah. Number 5, where is the aquarium? Where is the aquarium? Oh, where is it? Where is the aquarium? Oh, that is aquarium. Right? Aquarium at here. And the entrance door here. Ini pintu masuknya, nak. Italian restaurant. Ini pintu masuknya. Oh. So, that is aquarium. That is Italian restaurant. Jadinya di samping. Karena sebelahan. Pas sekali sebelahan. Pintu masuknya tidak berhadapan. Jadi jawabannya adalah next to. Oke? Aquarium next to the Italian restaurant. Number 6. Where's the museum? Where's the museum? Museum. Okay, that is museum. That is museum. The green, or that is, I think, green, the color. The green one. And where's the entrance door, miss? The entrance door. Where's the entrance door? Look at the school's entrance door and museum entrance door. I'm so sorry. Pintu masuknya, the entrance door at here, school. School ini pintu masuknya. How about museum? Yes. That is the entrance door. Ini pintu masuknya museum. Museum di depan, schoolnya di belakang. Museum di depan school. Museum jadinya di depan school. So what is di depan in English? In front of. Okay? So remember, yang kalian wajib ingat adalah pintu masuknya dulu ya, nak ya. For the next question, nanti yang selanjutnya, Miss usahakan kita tidak memakai peta seperti ini, because that is the difficult one. Yang ini lebih sulit. I will make the simple one like this one. Okay? Untuk first question or first assignment, untuk tugas pertama next week, I will give you the map like this one, the simple one. Miss akan bikin petanya or the public places like that. Seperti ini aja nanti kita bikin public placesnya lebih mudah ya, nak ya. And I will not use it anymore. Miss nggak akan pakai peta yang seperti ini because it will make you confused. Ini akan membuat kalian pusing. Kalau yang ini sudah jelas. Yang ini entrance door, yang ini entrance door. Oke? Okay? So, please learn about it. Especially yang ini ya, nak ya. Be focus sama yang ini. Yang slide yang ini. Okay, you can watch this video for many times. Dilihat, oke, kata Miss fokus ke yang white rectangle, yang persegi panjang warna putih. White rectangle, white rectangle. White rectangle means entrance door. Oke, persegi panjang warna putih maksudnya adalah pintu masuknya. Oke, be focused about this slide. That is the most important slide. So, that's all for today. I'm so sorry we don't have a Zoom meeting because I think that is a difficult lesson. That's why I wanna make you a video because you can watch it for many times. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please stay at home, stay healthy, because I hope we can see each other in the classroom. Okay, so if you have question, Miss, I don't understand yet about your explanation, please help me. You can chat me, you can call me, but please text me first. Kalau mau telepon Miss, mau video call or voice call, you can chat me first. Di chat dulu Missnya ya nak ya, sebutkan nama sama kelasnya. Miss, hi Miss, I'm Andy, I'm from 4B, I'm from 4C, or what class are you? You can tell me your name and your class first, and then you can call me. Yeah? God bless you. Have a nice day, guys. I hope until you watch this video at the end, you can understand about my lesson. And please write it on your notebook, or you can print. You can print the notes and then stick on your notebook. Boleh ditulis di buku catatan atau dicetak or di print, lalu digunting, printannya ditempel di buku catatan. So at least you know why this is my note for today. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you and bye-bye.